Thank you for choosing the SALCC Community College. Before filling out your online application, it is important that you have digital copies of the following documents: a formal passport size photo, your academic certificates, your birth certificate, your academic transcripts, your SALCC results, and this includes any January SALCC results, your passport or naturalization documentation if you are not a St. Lucian citizen, and your marriage certificate if you are married. To get copies of your academic documents certified, you can come to the college directly or go to the Human Resource Unit at the Ministry of Education. For non-academic certificates, you can get certified by a Justice of the Peace. Applicants, please note that the application form does not need to be completed all at once. You can start, save your information, and return to the form later using the credentials that will be sent to you via email once you have begun the process. Also, only one application is permitted per applicant. Please do not submit multiple applications. If you encounter any issues while completing the application form, please contact our Student Services Office at studentservices@salcc.edu.lc or call the numbers 758-457-7323 or 758-457-5226. So let's get started. To start your application, go to our website at www.salcc.edu.lc. Then click on the Apply Now button on our homepage. Click Create New Application. On the page that appears, enter the security code in the image and hit the Submit button. Please note that the code is case sensitive. On the next page, fill out the required information. Please note, the format for the birth date is month, date, year. You must use a valid and active email address. Your PIN must be 6 to 12 characters long with at least one lowercase letter. Once you are done, hit Submit and you will receive a confirmation message. Read the message carefully and then click Continue. We move on to personal information. When completing the personal information page, please ensure that the first letter of your first, middle, and last names are capitalized. All caps should not be used when entering application information. Additionally, you are required to enter your full middle name rather than just the first initial. Once you have completed all the information on this page, hit Save and Continue. If you happen to get an error message like this one, just go to the email address you provided and you will see an email from SALCC. In that email, you will find your login ID and PIN. Copy that information and return to our application page. Click Continue an Application. There you will enter your login information from the email and you will then be returned to the page where you left off, and your information would have been saved. Academic programs. Select the campus of interest and click the Submit button to view the programs available at either our main campus on the Mon or our South campus. Applicants have up to 2 choices of programs. Select the program of interest and hit Save. To select your second choice, hit the Submit button once again for choice of campus and then select your second choice. If you wish to remove a choice, simply click the Remove button by the respective program. Once you have finalized your choices, move on to the next section. For the employment section, fill out the requested information. If you do not have any employment experience, you can skip this section and go on to references. References. Please enter the names of 2 individuals that can be contacted to provide background information on your academics. References should be past principals or teachers. Family members cannot serve as references. Include the address and telephone number for your references. Emergency contact. Here you must include the name and contact for a parent, guardian, or family member that can be contacted in the event of an emergency on campus. For the interest section, you can select up to 3 clubs or interests that you would like to pursue at the college. Additional questions. In the additional questions section, please fill out the required information as accurately as possible. Ensure that you have the correct country of birth and citizenship because this will directly impact your tuition fees. Then, add the necessary attachments for each of the following sections. Education background. Select your most recent school. So for Form 5s, that would be your secondary school. For applicants who have already attended another tertiary level institution, you can select Other, and you can include the name of that institution here. Then select the year that you entered and the year that you left or will be leaving this institution. In this section, you will enter the subjects you did or will be doing for SALCC. Once you have filled everything out, hit Save. Once you have uploaded all the necessary documents and filled out all the required information, you can submit your application by going to the Submit Application section. Remember, you do not have to submit right away. Consult with family members and teachers if needed, and you can make changes to the application by logging into your application form using your login credentials. Note that once the application has been submitted, no further changes can be made. Thank you for viewing this video. We look forward to processing your application.